Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you about how you can move to Finland to study for free. You know, there are vocational schools you can apply to and study for free, and in this video I'm going to share with you about this opportunity. Ensure that you stay put to watch this video from the beginning till the end. In case you're meeting me for the first time, my name is Promise Breno and we are changing lives. We drop content about opportunities one can use to move abroad through work or studies or through any other legit way. So ensure that you stay glued to this channel by subscribing and clicking on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever we drop content. We drop content every week. Please click on the like button to support this video, and don't forget to share this video with your friends and your loved ones. Before I proceed, I want to put a disclaimer on this video that the content I'm sharing in this video is for general information. It is not a professional advice and does not substitute your own personal research. So please make your own independent research and stay updated with the changing information, because information can change. The opportunity you can use to move to Finland to study for free is by applying to a vocational school in Finland. So there are a couple of vocational schools there that are tuition free, which means that you don't have to pay tuition fee. The most popular of them that I know is Vamia College or Vamia Vocational School. If you get admitted to one of the programs, you can study there for free, and some of the programs include cooking, waiter waitress programs, mechanical fitter programs. It's important to visit their website, which I'm going to be putting in the description under this video, so that you can familiarize yourself with more information about the program and also the deadline for application, because it's so important. Ensure that you visit the website and check the requirement and start preparing. The other vocational school that I know about is Riveria College. Also visit their website. The link is in the description under this video. So ensure that you familiarize yourself with the requirements and prepare. I think for both vocational schools, you need to write an English proficiency exam. It doesn't matter whether you come from an English speaking country or not, you need to write it. And the name of that exam is called Duolingo English Test. As far as I know, that exam is not hard, especially for native English speakers. What you need to do is prepare for the exam. There are a lot of materials on the internet that you can check, and these materials can help you. For example, you can check YouTube videos about Duolingo. You can also check their website and read more about it, and you can also take a practice test, you know, to see how you can fare in the exam, so that you can know what you can expect, the kind of questions you can expect from the exam. For this exam, as far as I know, you don't need to leave your home. For example, you can do it at the comfort of your home, right? What you need is a fast-speed internet, and make sure that it is in a place that is not noisy and there's no interference of sound or anything, so that they won't think that somebody is helping you or trying to help you to write the exam. So it's so important that you stay in a very cool and cozy place. One tip I want to give you for success is that just make sure you read their guidelines and follow it strictly, because if you don't, you may be disqualified from receiving your certificate after writing the exam. Alright ladies and gentlemen, that is it about this video. Make sure you click on the like button to support this video, and make sure you subscribe if you haven't done so, and click the bell so that you'll be notified whenever we drop content. We drop content every week. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and your loved ones. If you want to talk to me one-on-one, you want me to offer personalized guidance to you, the link is in the description under this video. We also have other services like CV, motivational letter, flight reservation, etc. For some of them, the links are in the description under this video. For some of them that the links are not below, please contact us on either Instagram or Facebook. Thank you so much for watching. Till I come your way again, have a great time. See you in my next video.